Alrighty, opening it. Opening plant mail is always like super exciting, but also a little stressful as well. Okay. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Figgy boy. Finally, you're in a video. You saying hi? Oh, short-lived. You want to say hello? Hi, people. This is Figaro. Oh, Bubba. Finally, you're in a video, buddy. Oh, thank you. Do I need a bath? Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're going to hang out? Okay, you sit. Good boy. Hey, plant fam. Welcome back to ShyGirlPlants. If you're brand new, my name is Cheyenne, but you can call me Shy, and I am so glad you're here. I have a really low-key, chill video to share with you tonight. We just got home from a really long day of work, not gonna lie, not too long ago. And honestly, I was so excited to get home, but it just ended up being the longest day ever for some reason. But I'm finally home and I'm super excited because I have 3 plant mail packages that have been waiting for me all day. I have 3 wishlist plants to share with you all, and I wanted to do this unboxing with you because these are plants that have been on the top of my wish list for so long, and I finally required them, and they all just so happened to arrive on the same day, which is awesome. I was thinking they were going to arrive on different days, and I would have to film like snippets of each of those and then put it all together, but all 3 of them arrived in the same day, so we're gonna get to it. 2 of these are rare plants that I'm really excited for, and the other is a plant that I have been wanting and I don't know why I never got one, so I'm excited to add it to my collection. I mean, there's really nothing else for me to say. We got some exciting plant mail and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's get into it. This is the first one here. Let me make sure my address ain't on here because, you know, I love y'all, but you can't be coming to my house uninvited. Anyway, this first one I'm going to open is from Rare Foliage Plant Co. And yeah, I'm excited to open it. So I'm just going to do it. Okay, here we go. All right, I am having a hard time here. All right, let me see. Okay, box is open. Yay, cool. So again, this one is from Rare Foliage Plant Co. And I'm not gonna give it away. I will open them and then tell you what they are and put their names up on the screen. Perfect. Packaging was so good and so secure, which is what we're always looking for, right? I guess I should keep this here, actually, just in case anything falls out. Okay. Ooh, can you guess what it is just from seeing that? Definitely an anthurium. I think I'm dropping fuzz stuffing everywhere. Oh, it's perfect. I'm so excited. Okay, let me get the rest of it off. Cute. This is packaged so well. I am not mad about it at all. All right, there we go. It's an Anthurium clarinervium. I haven't had this one. And I'm so excited. It's so perfect. Look how beautiful it is. These leaves look great. Let me see. When did this ship? I think this shipped out on Monday. And it's here on Wednesday. So it got here really quick. There's an inflow on this. I don't think I have any anthuriums to pollinate it with, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed already. So the clarinervium, like, is just, the shape of the leaves and the veining is just so beautiful to me. If you have one, throw it down in the chat below in the comments and let me know if you do have one or if it's on your wish list. I can't get over how perfect this clary is. Wow, I couldn't have wished for a more perfect plant. It's so beautiful. Yay! So that's plant number 1, Anthurium clarinervium from Rare Foliage Plant Co. Okay, so that was 1. The next 2 are the rare ones. One is an alocasia and one is a Hoya. So I'm gonna open the alocasia next. And this is from the Little Shop of Hoya on Etsy. I was actually searching. I've been like these 2 rare plants that I'm going to share that I'm going to unbox with you. I've been like looking and searching for them for what feels like forever. Like I've been looking, whoops, don't fight guys. My 2 cats are fighting. I feel like I'm always looking them up on Etsy, on just Googling them, on Facebook, in planting groups, and I've always found them and found a specimen I liked, but I just never pulled the plug on them. I just kept leaving it on the wish list, and finally I pulled the plug on them, and I found the most perfect specimens. I feel like they came to me at the right time. So I was actually just searching on Etsy for this alocasia, and I wasn't happy with what I was finding because a lot of these are like pups and really small, and I wanted something a little bit bigger. And then finally I came across this listing, and I'm so glad I did. So this is from the Little Shop of Hoya Etsy shop, and we're gonna open it. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting for this alocasia. It's been on the top of my list forever. Like I can't stress it enough. Oh, super cute. So she's in there. Look how cute. The cats have zoomies, so they're like shoo, shoo, shoo all over the place. Warning, opening this package will cause extreme happiness. I've seen these stickers and I love them. Okay. Here we go. Wait a minute. Which way is the bottom? Okay. Such happy tissue paper. Alrighty. Opening it. Opening plant mail is always like super exciting, but also a little stressful as well. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is perfect. I'm so excited. Wow. It's beautiful. It's an alocasia venom. I've been wanting this plant forever. You don't understand. And this is like so perfect. Exactly what I was looking for. It looks great. It's actually got a lot of leaves on it. I don't know why I thought it was only a 2-leaf for some reason. I can't believe I own one. I'm so excited. Perfect planty goodness after a long day of work. But yeah, so alocasia venom. I was searching for this plant forever, and every plant that I came across was like a pup or just corms, and I didn't want that. I wanted something a little more established, especially when they're rare like this, because it's a risk, you know. So having something a little bit more mature would just make me feel better instead of trying to grow from a corm or something, which typically I'm really comfortable with corms and growing things from like cuttings and stuff like that. But this one, I just wanted something a little bit more mature. Now I have it. Super awesome. Yay. Ah, so amazing. Okay. The last one, same thing. This has been on my wish list forever. The #1 Hoya that I've been waiting on and waiting on and waiting on. And I'm so glad that I did wait, because I got this Hoya from Plantsbymelissa, who's my favorite plant YouTuber and who got me into the plant hobby when I was like starting to get into it and YouTubing or finding videos on YouTube. She really resonated with me. I've been watching her for years. And so the fact that I got my #1 top wishlist Hoya from her plant shop is so exciting and so awesome. So now I get to open it. Okay, here we go. Whew, I'm so excited for this. Aww. Super sweet. A card and stickers. So awesome. Oh my gosh, yay, I'm so excited. I dropped the sticker, my bad. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I love this tissue paper. That's so pretty. Oh, cool. I got a sample of her aeroid mix. So awesome. I love that. Thank you, thank you. Yay, that's exciting. And here it is. All right, y'all. #1 top wishlist Hoya has been acquired. I hope I didn't. There's the tag for the plant on the back. I hope I didn't accidentally show you that. Plantsbymelissa's packaging is always the best. I've gotten a few plants from her since she's opened her plant shop, but this one is by far the most exciting. Wait, sorry, it's stuck and I don't want to drop it. Okay, covering the plant name, but here it is. It's so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh my gosh! It's beautiful. I'm so happy that I waited to find the most perfect specimen of Crassi petiolata variegated, because this is truly like so perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. Okay, let me take all this off because I want to look at it. I want to look at the full thing. I was having such a long day. I don't know if I've mentioned it on here before, but I work in HR. And this time of year is open enrollment, so for health insurance benefits, and it can be very grueling and long, you know, putting together the package for the company and figuring out what we're going to offer everyone and the employees for the next year. And it's just been a lot of crunching numbers and a lot of decisions that need to be made. And I was just so tired today and this week, and all I wanted to do was go home. And then I got this plant mail, and I knew it was coming, so I was really excited all day to come home and open the plant mail. And here it is. And it's like really brightened my whole week. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, I'm gonna be staring at this forever. It's perfect. And look at the new growth coming in, so healthy. And the pink stems. And this, like, the variegation on this is just incredible. Like, this truly is the best specimen that I've seen in all my searching for this Hoya. And I can't believe I own it. I'm so excited. I am so happy. But that's it, my friends. That is the unboxing that I had, and it was so exciting. We've got Hoya crassipetiolata variegated, alocasia venom again, and this so perfect and beautiful Anthurium clarinervium. Wow. These are amazing plants, amazing sellers, amazing packaging, like 10/10 experience all around. And that's really it. It's very chill. I was just excited to open these with you all. And I guess that's it. If these are on your wish list or if you have them, let me know down in the comments your experience growing them or which one was your favorite from today. I'd love to chat about it. I can chat plants all day long. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining me.